Okay, this is a Math Mini lesson for solving proportions, and when we solve proportions, the same units have to be on in the numerators, and the same units have to be in the denominators for our answer to be correct when we start to cross multiply. So here's our first example. If I go, I don't know, 4 miles in 1/2 of an hour, how many miles do I go in 7 hours? So the way you solve this is by using your cross multiplication. So I would have 1/2, which is very easy to write, is 0.5, and that's easier to divide by. So if I have 0.5x equals 4 times 7, and did I write this wrong? No, I'm good. 4 times 7 is 28. So if I divide both sides by 0.5, divide by 0.5. If I go 4 miles and a half of an hour, then x is equal to 28 divided by 0.5. And when you actually divide by a fraction or a number less than 0, the number gets bigger. So this is actually 56 miles. Another way you will see a proportion is, for example, if I sew, let's say, 1/3 of a shirt in 1/4 of an hour. Okay, how many shirts do I sew in 1 hour? So if I ask myself, how do I get from 1/4 to 1? What do I multiply 1/4 by to get to 1? And I multiply by 4. So if I multiply by 4 in the denominator, I also have to multiply by 4 in the numerator. So 1/3 times 4 over 1 is equal to 4/3. So how many shirts do I sew in 1 hour? 4/3, or 1.3 repeating shirts. And that is how you solve proportions.